This video is created to inspire you, to guide your imagination toward profitable designs, and to help you understand the benefits of woodcraft projects for your home and turn woodcraft to income. A woodcraft collection that truly sells is never built by accident. It is shaped by time, observation, and a deep understanding of what people love to live with every day. Timeless wooden designs don't chase trends, they quietly outlast them. They blend naturally into homes, offices, and personal spaces, carrying warmth, usefulness, and character. When a collection is built around timeless ideas, it doesn't just generate one-time sales, it creates long-term profit potential. In this narration, we will explore how a well-thought-out woodcraft collection becomes a reliable source of income, why timeless designs consistently outperform short-lived trends, and how you can shape your own collection to sell steadily while growing in value over time. A successful woodcraft collection begins with intention. Instead of making random items and hoping something sells, a collection is built around harmony. Each piece should feel connected to the others through material choice, finish, proportions, and overall philosophy. Buyers respond strongly to collections because they feel complete and trustworthy. When someone purchases one item and sees that it fits perfectly with others in the same style, they are more likely to return and buy again. This repeat behavior is one of the strongest drivers of real profit in woodcrafting. Timeless designs are rooted in simplicity. Clean lines, balanced proportions, and natural finishes allow the wood itself to speak. These designs do not overwhelm a space, they complement it. A simple wooden tray, a minimalist shelf, a handcrafted stool, or a classic storage box remains relevant year after year because it serves a purpose without demanding attention. This quiet confidence is what makes timeless crafts sell consistently, even as styles change around them. Functionality is the backbone of any profitable woodcraft collection. Items that solve everyday problems earn a permanent place in people's lives. Storage solutions, organizers, holders, and small furniture pieces that fit into daily routines create lasting value. When something is used regularly, it becomes emotionally important to the owner. That emotional connection increases satisfaction, reduces price sensitivity, and builds trust in the maker's work. Material choice plays a significant role in shaping a timeless collection. Solid wood, reclaimed wood, and thoughtfully selected boards carry authenticity that buyers appreciate. Visible grain patterns, subtle color variations, and natural textures create uniqueness without additional decoration. These natural characteristics ensure that no two pieces are exactly alike, reinforcing the handmade nature of the collection while maintaining a cohesive identity. Consistency in finishing is another key factor. Whether you prefer natural oils, waxes, or matte coatings, a consistent finish across your collection strengthens your brand. Buyers may not consciously notice the finish, but they feel the unity it creates. Consistency communicates professionalism and care, which directly influences perceived value and willingness to pay. One of the most powerful aspects of a woodcraft collection is scalability. Timeless designs are often modular or adaptable. A shelf design can evolve into multiple sizes. A storage box can be adjusted for different uses. A table style can inspire stools, benches, or side tables. This adaptability allows you to expand your collection without reinventing your process. Each new piece strengthens the collection rather than competing with it. Profit potential grows when a collection balances accessibility with craftsmanship. Entry-level items attract new customers, while larger or more detailed pieces provide higher margins. This balance allows buyers to engage with your work at different price points. Someone who starts with a small item often returns later for a more significant piece once trust is established. Over time, this layered approach creates steady and growing income. Timeless collections also benefit from storytelling. Each piece carries a narrative about its purpose, material, and creation. Buyers enjoy knowing where the wood came from, how the design evolved, and what inspired the maker. This story transforms an object into something personal. In a market full of mass-produced items, story-driven crafts stand out and justify their value. Another reason timeless designs sell well is their adaptability to different interiors. Neutral wood tones, classic forms, and functional shapes fit into modern, rustic, traditional, and minimalist homes alike. This wide compatibility expands your audience without diluting your identity. A timeless collection doesn't target a narrow niche, it welcomes a broad range of buyers who share an appreciation for quality and authenticity. Durability is inseparable from timelessness. Well-constructed wooden items promise longevity. Buyers are increasingly drawn to products that last, both for economic and environmental reasons. A woodcraft collection that emphasizes durability aligns with sustainable values and long-term thinking. This alignment strengthens customer loyalty and enhances brand reputation. Presentation plays a crucial role in how a collection is perceived. Clear photography, consistent backgrounds, and thoughtful staging help buyers imagine the pieces in their own spaces. A collection presented as a whole feels more valuable than individual items listed separately. It communicates that the maker has vision and direction, which builds confidence in the purchase. Efficiency behind the scenes supports profitability. When a collection is based on repeatable processes, production becomes smoother and more predictable. Jigs, templates, and refined workflows reduce errors and save time. This efficiency allows you to focus more energy on refinement and innovation rather than constant problem solving. Timeless woodcraft collections also age well in the marketplace. Unlike trend-based items that lose relevance quickly, classic designs accumulate reviews, reputation, and visibility over time. Each sale builds momentum rather than starting from zero. This compounding effect is what transforms craftsmanship into sustainable income. Another advantage of a cohesive collection is brand recognition. When buyers recognize your style instantly, your work becomes memorable. Recognition reduces the effort needed to convince new customers and increases the likelihood of recommendations. A recognizable collection turns your name into a quiet signature of quality. Growth within a collection should be thoughtful rather than rushed. Adding new pieces that align with the existing style strengthens the whole. Removing designs that don't perform well keeps the collection focused. This ongoing refinement ensures that your offerings remain relevant without losing their timeless core. Ultimately, a woodcraft collection that sells is built on respect for material, for function, and for the buyer's experience. Timeless designs honor these principles naturally. They don't rely on novelty, they rely on integrity. And integrity, when combined with consistency, creates real and lasting profit potential. A well-crafted woodcraft collection is more than a set of products, it is a living expression of skill, vision, and purpose. Timeless designs allow your work to grow in value, relevance, and income over time. When you build with intention and consistency, your collection becomes a reliable path toward creative and financial stability. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.